पता नहीं यार, मेरा मेरा फेस में इतना पिंपल्स पता नहीं क्यों आते हैं। फर्स्ट थिंग इज आई डोंट ईट जंक फूड। मे बी आई टेक टू मच ऑफ स्ट्रेस। देखो ना यार, इतना बड़ा बड़ा है। एनीवे, आई डोंट केयर अबाउट द पिंपल्स। सो अभी मैं करूँगी फ्रेश अप करके व्लॉग एंड करूँगी। सो या, वेट फॉर मी, ओके गाइस। बहुत सारा बातें करना है आज। कल तो ये बाल को भी धुलाना है अच्छा से। अभी करेंगे फेस वॉश। So hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. This is Neha Gurung back again, and I hope everyone is doing fine, and I'm also doing fine. So my last video was about my new home. I mean, I didn't tell anything regarding my new home. So today vlog will be all about my new home. I'm very excited to tell you that I have started running a homestay in Manipur that is located in Maram, Sanapti district, Manipur. To be honest, this is one of my dreams that I'm working for. I have been, thinking from very long back that I will surely run a homestay one day, even if not in Manipur, somewhere in other places, yes, like Sikkim, Darjeeling, or maybe in Siliguri. But I got a place in Maram, so मैंने दोबारा सोचा ही नहीं मैं ऐसे आके आई स्टार्टेड रनिंग दिस होम स्टे बिकॉज मेरा जो सपना था होम स्टे रन करने के लिए वो बहुत ही पहले से था एंड लिटरली आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर दिस प्लेस आई लुकिंग फॉर अ परफेक्ट टाइम when to start and when I get time I didn't hesitate and I didn't think twice to start this one. So maybe I was in the right time and I got the opportunity in the right time. And yes, I'm doing well. It's been 2 months that without a vlog. I know many people have started already asking why no videos these days. We are missing you and all. Yeah, I do miss. I am a person who is always with the phone. Take the phone, click the pictures, take the videos, connecting with the people, talking with new people, going in new places. That is what me. And it's been 2 months that I was just stuck here, and that this is my new business, so I want to give my whole time and I want to settle properly and start again. So yeah, 2 months I was fully involved in my homestay, and still there are a lot of work going on, but when it's compared to the first and before 2 months and now, then now is like completely like setup is done and I've already started running also, and many people also has visited in my homestay because I have already promoted in my Instagram and Facebook. So a lot of local people has already know that I have homestay here, and thanks to all those people that who visit my homestay, who visit me. Thanks to everyone for so much of love. With that hope, with that love, I'm going towards a new destinations. I'll show you my homestay. थोड़ा जो भी है अभी जो भी है मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी इन ये वीडियो में. And then there are lots of things still going on, and I will keep you on update. And yes, I'm back to YouTube again after 2 months. And but अभी तो मैं शुरू करूंगी like everything I'm gonna update about my life, about my homestays, and about a lot of things. And also guys, आपको if you want to ask anything, the comment box are open, so you are always welcome to ask any questions. I really miss you guys, and then I'm also so happy that ki whenever I don't vlog, whenever I don't take videos, I used to go see my old videos, and then I used to be very happy. I used to always think that I I'm so grateful that I have captured everything that I have done in my life, you know. I mean, like, since 3 years, that 3 years, whatever I did in my life, I've captured like little of moment, and that makes me so grateful. 3 years back, I was not perfect as a content creator, as a videography, as a YouTuber. I was not at all perfect, but when it compares to that 3 years to now, I'm like, yeah, I did well. I mean, like, I'm doing well and I'm doing good also with all your love. You know how quickly I have gained love, that shows here in my YouTube and also in my Facebook, Instagram, you know, all my social platform. Yes, that's it, guys. It's already 9 p.m. एंड वीकेंड्स इज सो बिजी हियर. वीकेंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्राउड होता है मेरा यहाँ होम स्टे में. तो इफ़ यू वांट टू बुक होम स्टे, you have to call me, you have to contact me in advance. That's all I can say. And do visit, even if you are not staying, it's okay, you can come anytime in my homestay. Who is around, you know, who is nearby, just come visit, see the place, because you never know. Whenever you plan anything next time, you can definitely come in my homestay and stay. My homestay has a lot of space, open space, where you can, you know, you can celebrate your birthday, you can celebrate kitty party or any kind of parties. Here is no restriction, anyone can come. My homestay name is Cham Homestay. So basically, Cham Homestay concept is your home away from home. So whoever comes here, you should feel like home. क्या होता है ना कि कभी कभी आपको घर का खाना रोज खाना, और मतलब घर पे, even though the house is so beautiful, even though the house is so lovely, beautiful family, we still need, we still curve for the place where we want to spend, you know, in a different way. I mean, like, and or chilling out with friends, you know, anything like that. So yeah, Cham Homestay is the right place. Beautiful views, completely outskirt area, completely away from the crowd. This place is perfect to chill out, enjoy, have fun. Take these as your own home, take care of this home as your own. And yes, that's how we built a Jam Homestay. So anyway, that's all for today. I hope I'm gonna see you all every day, and I may not bring everyday vlog, but definitely I will try to bring a vlog weekly once, or maybe monthly twice thrice. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and a lot of love, and see you all very soon. Good night. It's time to sleep. I'm very tired. होमस्टे तो होमस्टे रन किया वाला 2 महीना ही हुआ है, लेकिन as everyone knows me, I used to get a lot of people here where they come and see, visit my place, you know, and we used to sit and talk, and I used to show my homestay, and they're so impressed and they're so happy. And you know, a lot of people used to give me a good feedback that I have started this one. So yeah, I feel so grateful. And yes, chalo, thank you so much. Bye, see you. Good morning, and this is how my morning start. मैं भी रूम से आया हूँ, and ये देखो, and this is, what's the time? It's 6 a.m. view. ये बच्चा लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? ओए, गुड मॉर्निंग. त्यहाँबाट गिर्दैन? हाँ? ला लड्छ. लड्छ है, तल जान्छ नि फेरि. घाँस लिने के लिए आया बोल्नु है. ए नो 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 नो, नजाऊ 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 नजाऊ. आफै जाउँछ, आफै जान्छ. त्यहाँ तल पुरा बोतलहरू कसले गिराएछ त्यहाँ? कोण फ्याँक्दा हुन्छ? जाऊ जाऊ जाऊ. लड्छ है. So ये, this is how my morning will start. अभी ये सब क्लीनिंग करना पड़ेगा, और मैं बाद में इसका नज़ारा दिखाती हूँ. अभी तो ऐसा है. चलो, ये सब क्या है भाई सब? So foggy. Oh my god. Look at the weather.
Soft strums of the warm acoustic guitar blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. A serene melody weaves through the breeze.
7 o'clock view. यहाँ पे माया पानी फूल में पानी डाल रही है। ये है, दिस इज द मेन रोड। ऊपर का नज़ारा ऐसा ही है। वी ऑल्सो हैव अ कार वॉश। आप लोग इधर में आके अपना गाड़ी भी वॉश कर सकते हो। वाटर इज ऑल टाइम अवेलेबल। इट्स जस्ट दैट समटाइम देयर इज नो लाइट। सो चलो, मॉर्निंग का ड्यूटी तो हो गया है अभी। नाउ आई विल शो यू ऑल द रूम्स। व्हाट आर द रूम्स आई हैव। दिस इज द another door and this is the main door for I've planted few flowers, and you know, in this season it's so hard to grow the flower, and thankfully इतना तो grow हुआ है अभी, and I am just waiting to complete this homestay. There is one more homestay upgrading, so this will be still pending. I will be only showing you this homestay once everything is complete. So basically 80% is already done. Now just 20% is left. ये तो मेरा रूम है। यहाँ पे किचन अटैच है, so whenever I feel like cooking alone, eat alone, then I do that. But all the stuffs I have kept down. We have a common kitchen down there, tidy. I'm gonna remove all this sofa once that room is completed, and I'm gonna have more stuff. Right now I only have one staff, so once the more stuffs come, then I'm gonna move this chair for them. They can also use in their room. Car wash. So this is the car wash. We also got shop. You can also come and buy things from here. And this is the entry, main gate. So main gate ka entry is out there, and this is for the building. And we got a common kitchen here. This is how it looks from outside. Yeah, all right. And then I'll show you our common kitchen. This is the common kitchen we have got. Maya is cooking. Hi. Maya is cooking our food. हम दोनों के लिए खाना बना रही है वो. This is soybean and she's making boil. So after Maya is here, she is helping me everything. ये common kitchen. You can cook from here, and आपका जैसे भी, however you want to cook, you can cook and have it. And that's how the place outside area. You can sit over there and we have a cabin inside. We also have a space down there. I'm going to show you the space down there now. यहाँ पे भी we are going to make more rooms here. We'll add more rooms. This is the new construction, which is 80% done now. And सबसे best जगह यहाँ पे यार. Have enjoy chill out area. Actually just now Maya cleaning done, and it's just like this. So this will be arranged here properly. And yeah, this is still not done. We're gonna have uh, a beautiful place here where we keep a lot of stuff, and this will be area for bonfire area, or maybe, you know, sitting area. And yeah, that's how, guys. ये देखो rock. So basically Maya is new staff here. She don't know all the language. She's still learning. She's here to help me. She's my sister, new sister. And then Maya will be there here. If I'm not there, Maya will be there. Now, I'll take you on the top now. So you have to leave your chapel here and go. ऐसे मिलेगा आपको ऊपर जाने के लिए. This is how it goes. We have got washroom, common washroom here for everyone. Like, yeah, but yes, so this is the common washroom. So we'll go on top. If you are height phobia, so yeah, you need to skip this place. And yeah, you have a sitting place area here. And then this is the room. Room. So this room is 1,000 per night. We have me, and we have got another bed here. So this is common room. ये है common room. यहाँ पे there is a smart TV. There's a music, and here you got a beautiful window where you can chill out with the views. So wait, let me show you. Here you go. Yay! So we also have attached Wi-Fi, but Wi-Fi is also quite slow over here. Still adjustable here. And we have washroom here, but this washroom we haven't put the door yet because we still have to do some work here. We are going to make a kitchen here so that some people, they want to have a private kitchen and they want to cook themselves, so we thought that we will make a kitchen here, small kitchen area, and once the kitchen is done, we will make the door over here for the washroom. And we also have another two rooms on top. This one is the another room. There is a sitting area here, and this is the room. So this is the room here. Rule and regulations. From here you see the view like this. Okay, chalo. And same room here, similar. This room costs 700 per night for one room. And if you book this whole common room plus two room, then it's 2,000 rupees per night. And also there is another options, which is like, if you only book the common room, per hour it's 200 rupees only for the common room. And here you can even celebrate your birthday or kitty party or anything, any kind of happenings can be done, can be there. We have a space over here. And also if you want to still celebrate outside area, we also have a space outside area. And not only here, we have other places on top. Down there we also have a lot of place where you can spend time with the natures and all. Yeah, and there are a lot of options there. You can spend time over here. This is the update, guys. For more any updates, I'll update you all. Me Mac. So that's the update for now, guys. It's been 2 months without making a vlog, and I'm a person who is like all the time, vlogging around, taking a pictures, videos, connecting with people, talking with different peoples. And then when I stopped doing that, I went directly to the to the depression. I'm like literally. But in these 2 months, I was so busy that I can't say by words, and I don't feel like vlogging anymore. I mean, like, I don't feel like vlogging because when you do the vlogging, you have to do the editing, you have to upload, you have, yeah, like, a lot of things, a lot of works. And I thought that I'll finish everything, I'll set up properly, and then I will make a vlog. The location is in Maram, Piren Road, Bungram. They used to say Bungram. It's just 6 kilometers away from the main road, Maram. If you are heading to Wilong village or Yangkulen village, then it's just on the way. Okay, and the place here is so beautiful. I fell in love. And recently I visited to Guwahati for my mother treatment, for my mother, my brother treatment. Guwahati was so hot कि I was not able to stay back there. फटाफट फटाक करके आ गया 4 दिन में आ गया. In 2 days we stay in the Guwahati, and it was so hot, and I got sick also. मतलब I have allergy to fan and AC. So when I was in Guwahati, I was all the time with the AC, with the fan, and then I got cold. My neck was blocked, and all that happens. And today it is feeling little better. And yeah, that is how it is.
Where stress dissolves like footprints in the sand.
So this is the night view. I mean evening view. It's already कितना बज गया देखो 6:46. I mean 5:46. And I'm right now just sitting and watching the view. Oh, here is the view of the evening.